So today is February the 1st, 2018, and it's the official launch of the Amazon Echo product range in Australia and New Zealand. I've pre-ordered my Echo from JB Hi-Fi and it came in the post today, so I'm very excited to unbox the Echo for the first time. I recently bought a Google Home, so in a later video I will do a comparison between the Amazon Echo and the Google Home. So let's unbox this. Oh, there we go. It's always very interesting to see how these are packaged. So out of the box it comes with a power adapter, and this one is the Australia and New Zealand plug. And it comes with just a couple of user manuals and operational guides. So there you have it, the Amazon Echo unboxed.